And what we are doing is we're going to remove the steering wheel for the clock spring, which I have here. So the most important thing you want to do is disconnect the battery. So the battery's a 10 millimeter. Disconnect the battery. I like to let it sit for about 10 minutes and then get into removing the steering wheel. But what I want to show you is on the steering wheel, there's actually a couple holes on the back side here. You're going to have to remove this casing here. This one is actually a push button start, so there's no key necessary for the ignition. But what you got to do here is there's actually holes on the back side of the steering wheel. I'm going to show you right here. There's little holes right here, but on most of the steering wheels, the holes are covered with plastic or rubber. They're just not punctured. So what you got to do is you got to stick a decently strong screwdriver, which I got here, through this hole. And the key is you can't really see what you're doing. So I've already removed the airbag. So what it is back here through those holes, you got these little clips that you got to push in. Right here's one and two. But here's the key. There's only two holes. You can see here. There's only two holes right here. One here and one here. So you got to come through with the screwdriver right here and remove those. So once you get that removed, it takes a little bit of time to get those clips, but they basically push in and then you get it removed.